Alright, let's talk about payment gateways inside of Currinda now. Inside Currinda, we are able to configure 6 or 7 different types of payment gateways to suit our needs. If I click on adding a new payment gateway, we can set a name for it. Let's say ASN payment gateway. We have PayPal, PayFlow Pro, SecurePay, eWay, NAB, Stripe, and Payway. Let's say we have PayPal. Clicking on PayPal, we have payment mode. We have two different modes, which is sandbox and live. Sandbox is used for testing purposes, and it's just a test for the developers if the payments are indeed working or not, if the keys are correct, if everything is correct. Once everything is correct, we replace the sandbox credentials with the live credentials. So let's say these are live credentials. We can put in a client ID. Let's say it's a random key that is given to us by PayPal. And then we have a client secret, which will also be given to us by PayPal. We can click on save or add, it gets saved. And now this payment gateway is saved and can be used anywhere in the platform. We can also use it in events and memberships. We can also configure some other different types of payment gateways. All have different requirements. Let's say ASN Secure Pay. Clicking on Secure Pay, you can see the payment mode is again with sandbox and live options. Let's say we set it to live and put in a client ID. Let's put in a client secret. We can also view it by clicking on this button. In merchant code, clicking on add would add this payment gateway. As you can see, successfully created ASN Secure Pay payment gateway. Now we can also edit these. If we want to set it to sandbox, we can set it to sandbox and save changes. We can also delete them. Alright, let's move to bank accounts. Here we have 5 different types of bank accounts already existing. I'll be blurring them out for secrecy. I'll add a new bank account here. Let's say the account name is Urogynecological Society for Queensland. Let's say the bank is National Bank of Australia, which is obviously a sample bank name. We can put in a branch. Let's say it's Queensland branch. We can insert our BSB number here. Let's insert a sample number. After inserting the BSB number, we can type in the account number. Let's say it's a sample account number. And then the SWIFT code. Alright, we can also have a checkbox here checked, which is called use sub account. As you can see through the tooltip, this will attach the event sub account to the account name on invoices. That's the purpose it serves. We can check this, and we can also set this as a default account for the Currinda platform. We're not going to do that. Let it be as it is. We're going to save this. Now you can see the bank account has been created and now it's visible here. Thank you.